Hi there, I'm Daniel King. This is the tutorial for the Pack Global Valued Inventory app. This app is perfect for simplifying the process of creating your valued inventory list for your relocation. It's an alternative to the traditional paper sheet that you scan and upload, or to the Excel spreadsheet version, though those options are perfectly acceptable as well. This is just another alternative for you. So first thing you want to do is download the application from your smartphone app store. You want to type in PG Inventory or Pack Global Inventory, and you'll want to have the application on your phone for the entirety of your relocation. The Pack Global Inventory app keeps all of your information if you exit out or turn off your phone, but if you delete the app, you'll lose all of your progress. On the flip side, if you want to start over for whatever reason, there's no way to do it other than to delete the app and re-download it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the app, and it'll immediately start you through the guided entry process. It's the main feature of the app, and it'll take you through each room in your house or apartment to create a comprehensive inventory list. It's perfect for ensuring all of your items are accounted for. So be sure to save each item as you progress so that it gets saved into the app. Here we'll use the automobile category to demonstrate high value items. They're items over the value listed, and you'll have to take a picture of them using the in-app picture tool. Remember that you can go back on guided entry to view your progress, to skip around through other rooms, or edit any items that you might already have put in. And that's the first of the app's 4 tabs. There's the guided entry and its progress page, all your items, which lets you see each item individually under a subcategory, your submissions page, which is where you want to go when you're ready to submit, and about. Make sure when you submit, you read through the terms and conditions, then hit accept. You'll receive an email PDF of your valued inventory shortly. And that's how you use the Pack Global Inventory app. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to let me know in the comments section below.